If you are that individual who likes to keep his TV mounted to the wall and has some serious trouble picking the best swivel mount for your wall, this video here might enlighten you by giving a variety of different choices to you to select from. So, saddle up your gear and do have a look at this video for more insights. Up first is the Mounting Dream MD2380-24K. This product here is a piece of highly durable equipment and has got a sturdy and rugged built quality to it. The device is made from heavy-duty cold steel and with ample joint movements. With the Allen key's help, you can adjust your TV to your desired and convenient angle. The swivel has got a forward and back angular movement of +5 or -15 degrees, making you take your sweet spot for that anti-glare angle with ease. The swivel mount is also capable of a horizontal angular movement of 45 degrees. The stand's exceptional build quality makes it possible to hold a TV of dimensions 25 through 55 inches with a weight of nearly 100 pounds. The robust equipment's also capable of full extension of up to 15.2 inches, which is impressive. This mount's also attachable to wood stud walls and concrete walls. Up next is the Mounting Dream MD2379. The MD2379 here has got a strong presence when it comes to wall mounts. We may hand over a part of this credit to the impeccable built quality of the wall mount. The full metallic finish, made of heavy-duty steel with a powder coat finish, gives the product a robust feel. The products have also been assembled solely by robots without any human interference, thereby effectively reducing the error margin. The device is compatible with a television of sizes that range from 26 to 55 inches, and it can accommodate a max weight of nearly 100 pounds. Apart from these features, the product also has a 5-degree up and 15 degrees down mechanism, effectively reducing the glare and enhancing the viewing angle. The pull-out and retract mechanism that extends from 3 to 14 inches almost makes the TV come alive. So, if you're looking for a highly durable wall mount, this product might be the right choice. Moving right along, we have the Amazon Basics. Basics here look a bit classy when it comes to its design. When it comes to its body, the product feels perfect and durable. This might be due to its chassis being entirely made of aluminum alloy. The product, therefore, has got an improved shelf life. The Basics has got a matte black finish to it, making it camouflage behind any TV, ranging from 22 to 55 inches. The wall mount is also capable of withstanding a weight of up to 80 pounds. The device has got a 5-degree down and 10 degrees up mechanism, but unlike the product referred to earlier, it has got a reduced tilt mechanism by a factor of 5. Still, on the brighter note, the device is capable of a forward extension of 16.3 inches. It has also got a brilliant 180-degree right and left tilt mechanism, making this product a well-rounded one. So, if you're looking for a decent wall mount, do check out this product. Up next is the ECHOGEAR. ECHOGEAR might be the new butterfly among the wall mount, as it's capable of different motion. The device here has an excellent built quality by effectively utilizing heavy-duty steel, and it also does come in complete black. When it boils down to product offering, this product here might be one of the best available out there on the market, as this device is capable of mounting a TV that ranges from 43 to 82 inches in size and weighs around 110 pounds. The unique swivel mechanism lets you view a 140-degree angle, and it also features a 15-degree tilt mechanism. What makes this particular device stand above the rest is its pull mechanism that lets the mount extend to 19 inches, which is quite pretty in terms of the offering. So, if you're a big-time fan of a good TV mount instrument, then check this product. Up next is the Loctek. Loctek's one of the best swivel wall mounts when it comes down to a curved TV. This device here is made of solid heavy gauge steel, and a durable powder-coated finish that makes this device have more in terms of the overall product longevity. The product does come in full black color. When it comes down to the overall product performance, the product can handle a TV of a size that ranges from 32 to 70 inches with a loading capacity of more than 99 pounds. The device also offers an upward motion of 2 degrees and a downward motion of 10 degrees, making it collectively have a tilt angle of 12 degrees. The swivel angle varies from -90 to +90, making it easy to tilt around. The extension mechanism closely ranges about 19 inches, making it highly suitable for viewing TV without any strain. So, if you're talking all about convenience while watching television, then consider this product. Last on our list is the Perlegear. Perlegear is one of the top products to be offered in this list regarding build quality and product offering. The product is made of reinforced and tough high-quality steel, i.e., it's made using advanced robotic technology without any human interference. The wall mount also has 2 large and sturdy arms to give a refined motion for your television. The swivel mount has one of the top-class offerings, such as the product has an up and down tilt mechanism from 5 to 15 degrees. The sidewise tilt mechanism is ranging from -90 to +90 degrees. And finally, the 31-inch front extension mechanism is the best on this list. It also gets retracted to 3.7 inches, making it an exceptionally well-rounded and functional product for utility. The device can hold a television of sizes that range from 50 to 100 inches and can hold a TV that's around 200 pounds. So, if you're looking for the best wall mount for your television, then go for this product. If you liked the video, please feel free to share, subscribe, and comment down below. We'll see you next time.